Welcome viewers. The topic of this presentation is on important points related to motor mechanic and motor spare parts business. Here are some of the suggested important points related to your motor spare parts business. First of all, you should have clean and safe workshop. You should employ safe workshop practices during the work. No smoking inside and nearby the workshop. Display of safety instructions in the workshop area. Use of safety gadgets during the work is important. Use the required tools as per the requirement and the nature of fault. You should avoid collection of many tools near your vehicle. Only bring or use required tools from your tools area to the repair benches. As a safety precautions, you should never work on a running machine. It can lead to some critical accident. As a business owner, you should follow law and statutory obligations. Display work instructions prominently in the workshop area. Identification tags on the material racks would help you easily trace the material and it will save time. As a business owner, you should maintain inventory of the spare parts, etc., and other raw material as per the requirement of your business. You can have large inventory for the running items, but you should have less inventory for the items which are used less. You should also keep in mind the financial feasibilities. Whenever dealing with the customers or with your principals or the agencies related to the automobile or motor mechanic trade, you should exhibit good commercial acumen. You can attend automobile expos on regular basis. These seminars, expositions would help you in upgrading your knowledge related to the automobile field. Always take reasonable charges for your services.